Ready?
Okay. And these are the KONEs at the Stamford train station parking deck. Both Amtrak and Metro North Commuter Railroad serve this station.
This is a wicked motor, though.
Yeah, we just got off Metro North. This thing kind of has vibrations, so.
Horrible shaft work, but that motor is beautiful. There's the Acela. I knew I heard one.
Yep, there's the Acela down there. Amtrak kind of has vibrations.
Uh-oh. Okay, good. It's not low on oil. Any day now. Beautiful door.
Yeah, that door has vibrations. Wanna go down to G?
Yeah. Sounds like Felicia was screaming.
Alright, let's get a cab view. Yes, this beep is about as bad as it sounds. Say hi.
Hi.
There's your certificate. 150.
Do you want to see if the other one's still low on oil?
Yeah, sure.
You gotta listen to this pump. It's got a wicked pump on it. Listen. Oh, I think it's stuck. Wait, I think it's stuck on 5. Here, let's go up to 5. The indicator's still frozen on 5. Wait.
See?
Yeah, we gotta go up. I think it's stuck. Hurry up!
I got stuck.
That's what Felicia does. That's what Felicia does, and that must mean it's okay.
And there's another. There's the Acela again.
Oh, it's leaving now.
Yep. See. This is one of, I think, 2 profitable routes on Amtrak. Everything else is being paid for by our tax money.
Oh my god, leveling. Look at the door.
Has vibrations.
Yet.
What?
Are you kidding me?
Oh, now it works.
Are you kidding me? I don't want to get stuck in this thing. Oh god.
KONE.
Do people still not believe me that KONEs are like deplorable in quality?
I think KONE's beautiful. And that door is proof. 'Cause, I mean, that door actually, it had to power through to get that thing closed. So I think KONEs are fine.
This one was really badly low on oil last time.
Okay. Well, we're gonna see how badly this elevator has vibrations. There's our indicator. Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, this thing struggles going up. I hope it makes it. We rode elevator 8, I think.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, and there's that Dover. Actually fixed it.
Oh my god, did you see it level?
Yeah,
It went way above and then had to sink back down.
yeah, I did feel that. Oh, this tile has vibrations.
Here, wait, you have to hear this chime on 4 and then we'll go back down to G. Oh, beautiful.
Oh, beautiful.
Here, wait. Okay, step out for a minute. Okay, pay attention to the last one.
Let's go down to G.
This is where we can get to the Dover. This is the bridge level.
Yeah. See? Once again, there's that Dover we just filmed.
Make sure you emphasize that's the Dover we just
Yeah.
filmed.
You see it right there. See, right in the center of the frame, that's it over.
I'm sending it up to 1 so you can hear
And these
the
things
flow.
go 150 feet per minute.
Supposedly.
According to KONE, they go 150 feet per minute.
Alright, now come over.
Here's the map.
Quickly. Come here. You're gonna want to hear this. It's a wicked pump. Listen. Did you hear that at all?
Yeah.
It was a little quiet.
Oh well.
Now we can either go end it at the street level or at the bridge level. Your choice. And if you saw that external indicator, that's actually kind of rare.
Which one can we get to Dover from?
Either or. Actually, we'll go to 1 so you can see the piston.
Yeah, street.
They're both going up, and that sounds awesome. You
Oh,
can
beautiful.
go up to 5. That button's
I
been
think-
turned out all year.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, look at the security camera. Oh, here, come here. Keep the camera on. How are we gonna make our way out of here? Oh, it feels
Screw
like
that.
going down.
Screw that.
Oh, maybe, I think this one went up. Yep, there, oh my god.
Oh, wow.
That's actually pretty big.
Yeah.
Alright, whatever you want to do now.
Alright, that's it.